How to download Adobe Premiere Pro for free on PC and Mac. So if you want to download Adobe Premiere Pro for free on your PC or your Mac, then first you need to open up your browser. After opening your browser, you need to just search for Adobe. After searching, you need to go with www.adobe.com and it will take you to the website. Once you're under the website, now you need to select your country or your region. After selecting, if you scroll down, then here you will have the free plans. So you need to just go with Premiere Pro, and here you will have a free trial. So you just need to simply click on the Premiere Pro at first, go with the free trial section. Under the free trial, here you will have individual, businesses, and students and teachers. You can simply choose any one of these. And after selecting, you can go with add a free trial and then go with continue, which is here on the bottom right. And it will take you to the payment method. You need to add your payment method, and after adding your payment method, you can have this free trial terms. After that, continue to the verification, and you need to download the Adobe Creative Cloud, and after that, you'll be able to use your Adobe for free.